Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. I know I've been away for a while. I miss you guys and I know you guys miss me too. You know, with YouTube it takes a lot of work, consistency, time, effort, and also the proper equipment as well. Personally, I had an equipment problem. My drone was down, so that's the reason for the extended break. I have a new drone now, so we're gonna get the videos going. So please continue to support, continue to like, continue to comment, share, while we continue to review and showcase all the awesome developments that's happening across Jamaica, in Kingston, around town, in town, outside of town, across Jamaica. So stay tuned guys. I'll try to get as much videos up and going as much as possible. So just want you guys to just continue to show your support. For all those that have been here waiting on a video, I really appreciate you guys, because I know genuinely we have some real supporters on the channel as well. So stay tuned guys, while we do this review of the Fosrich Super Center, our Superstore on Molynes Road. So stay tuned and thanks for the support. Really appreciate you guys. Alright guys, so this is the Fosrich Super Center. This will be the new home for Fosrich. It will be a mega shopping center with everything that has to do with home decor, furniture, everything, right here on Molynes Road. So this is the main thing we're taking a look on today. We're going to fly our drone and take a quick look at the ITEL 2 call center buildings as well. And when the drone is up, you'll see that a lot of virgin land is still around that side. A lot of prime real estate land that has never been touched from in the beginning. And some of those land have some very good potential as well, if they're properly developed, because most of them is not being used. So I'll try to highlight that as well. So Fosrich, Molynes Road, quick update, quick drone view. It's coming along nicely. So stay tuned for the drone shots. And again, like, comment, share, and subscribe.